got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Okay, so I'm about to head to Walmart. Okay. Y'all, I'm really sitting up here asking myself, what in the hell did I just spend $2 on from Walmart? Lord, let me show y'all what I got when I get home. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you all what I got. And now I realize what I spent $200 on. So I got like some little sock warmers. These are spa footies. I got a new pair of men's slippers as Charles's Christmas gift. We got the stir-fry rice with noodles. We got the teriyaki beef flavored, and we got the Korean barbecue. He seems to really like those, so I picked those up, and they are like $1. So I got orange Fanta, Hawaiian blue, Dr. Pepper, and Pepsi. I got some new yogurts where these are Lucky Charms and one is Trix. I got 2 of the New York style cheesecake with the strawberry. I got the cheese, the Caesar salad, potatoes. I got both of the kids a hot cocoa bomb type of thing. We got some bagels, raisins, pepperonis, evaporated milk, some honey ham. I also picked these up so that I can have these for work. And then I picked up myself a black and white plaid shirt. And then I had to pick up Cam some medicine because he had a little cough. And then I got 2 packets of the ranch. I got the sour cream, some Lunchables, whether it's the pepperoni pizza, nachos, or just the cheese pizza by itself. I got the tilapia and the cod. I also got some butter, barbecue, and different flavored pancake syrup, which Sky definitely tested it and she said it is nasty. I also picked up the milk chocolate, hot chocolate, and then I got the hazelnut cappuccino. The elves needed a new outfit for this year, so we went ahead and picked those up, and we'll set those out for the elves to change into. I got a little bit of everything when I went to Walmart. So like I said, I realize now what I spent $200+ on. I needed some Keurig pods, the fall pillows on sale. Things to make. I got this. Okay, so I got the holiday snowman cakesicle kit, holiday sugar and spice muffin and quick bread mix, holiday peppermint brownie mix, and then the holiday festive tree pretzel dipping kit. We got some green pancake and waffle mix, Who Stole Christmas cookie mix. We got some Meltums peppermint flavored Christmas cookie trail mix. I also bought these M&M holiday sugar cookies. And then, y'all, I bought me some sugar cookies, body wash. Let me show y'all my hygiene routine. We got some decorating kits. This a little bowl. This was 98 cents. Got me a plate. This was 98 cents as well. Y'all, I found these Smart Pop Mary Berry popcorn mix. Okay, so y'all know me, I'm crafty. It is craft time for me. I designed these popsicle sticks to say certain things that we can do in the winter and Christmas time. So I painted them white, green, and red. And I bought the set of 3 sharpies from Walmart under $5. So it came with gold, silver, and then like a metallic brown. I sprayed these using the clear coating so that if anything got on them, it would not mess them up. This clear coating can be bought at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart for roughly like less than $3. When you spray this on there, it creates a clear coat where it's not going to mess up anything underneath. And so some of these pieces have certain writing on them, and I definitely can list them here. You can pick out one of these or let the kids pick out one by one each day, where they can watch a movie, make hot chocolate, watch a Christmas movie, go Christmas caroling, go sledding. You can do things such as game nights. You can do a gingerbread house. You can do other things such as bake a Christmas treat and things like that. So this is what I made so that the kids can pick something each day, every day in the month of December. So I made approximately 25 to last. So I just got home from work and my house needs some TLC, more like needs some straight cleaning. So I'm gonna get ready to clean up with you all. So hope that you guys have a bunch of things to do. I know that I do. And I'm gonna get ready to get started with my bedroom first so that you guys can I really do not like cleaning up after like working all day, but I feel like it's needed because that's when you're the most ready to get something done. So I decided to go ahead and clean up the room, put my clothes away, put all my shoes away because one of the most things that I have is shoes and clothes. I do have this Miss Meyer's room refreshener, which is lavender scent, and I just spray it in the room periodically just to give it like a room freshening smell, especially after I've been away from it all day long. So now I'm gonna undecorate for fall and get ready to put up my Christmas stuff. So this is another Christmas decorate with me video as I am cleaning up the fall stuff and decorating for Christmas. So it's time to decorate for Christmas. This is a Christmas decorate with me part of the video where I found that at the Dollar Tree, so I decided to put it on top of my tree. I needed a new one. The other one was not working for me. I pulled out all of my Christmas material, sat it on the floor, went through it and tried to see what I was really going to be using this year. Things that I knew I would not be using, I decided to keep in the back in the closet just to keep it out of the way. So I have these cute little advent countdown calendars that I got from Roses, and then this is a cup that a good friend gave me from Japan, so shout out to Gabby May for sending me that last year before Christmas. And so I did not get the chance to get my red cup this year, but now I have a small one, and I have a gingerbread cookie candle that I got from Five Below. This is what I kept my stuff in last year for the hot cocoa bar, but I decided this year that I'm going to put nothing but baking stuff in it. So these are what I bought last year for Sky as far as like baking materials, but I bought the Ray Done for myself and these for myself. I'm going to go ahead and unpackage them finally this year and put them in this container where it's going to be easy to access in case we ever want to do baking. And as you can see, it comes with like some stamps. It comes with a snowflake mold, and then it comes with like measuring cups, measuring spoons, and then like a whip and a spatula that she can use. I got this from Target this year. It was $5. It's a 3-pack of signs that just say different things. I'm going to use them to put up on the wall where I have my lights at that were sponsored a couple weeks ago, and so I'm just going to stick these up here to make it seem like they're sitting on the wall. I also have this nutcracker garland that I'm going to be putting up, as you guys can see right here. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond last year for about like $8. I thought it was really cute because you can put pictures on the back of them, so they are like clothespins. So I wanted to just have something where I could put pictures up if I wanted to, and so I also just needed to add 2 or 3 finishing touches to this to make this area look great. And so I'm gonna use that second shelf as like my baking shelf, where I'm keeping everything that I got from Walmart baking wise for Christmas over here in this area. And the top shelf is just going to be my tier tray, my coffee, and our gingerbread house. So as you guys can see there, that's just going to be the baking shelf. I also bought this piece from Michael's. It just says "We wish you a Merry Christmas," and it was only like $1.50. I'm just putting some other pieces onto the tier tray as I see what I want to put up there. But I'm going to stop talking here and just finish decorating. So in my wax melt holder, I do have the Farmhouse Plaid scented wax cubes in just for today until my scents come in from Scents by Coley that I just recently placed. So I got this 6-pack of the Farmhouse Plaid wax melt cubes from Walmart the day after Thanksgiving. These were on sale for $1. So a lot of the great smells for fall and Christmas were on sale for $1. So I stocked up on all the Christmas ones, and my mom stocked up on the fall ones. And so I'm just putting this picture here over in my area. This was a sign that I did not make. I know you all probably think I did. My mom's coworker made this one for me as I had asked her to. And so, being funny after watching Medea this year, I wanted a sign that said hello. Alright y'all, so we're going to make some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls where they're made with ribeye steak, onions, peppers, and provolone cheese, all wrapped up and fried to a crispy perfection. It's the ultimate appetizer, or, you know, make it for a game day snack. Anyways, what you're going to want to do is cut up a green bell pepper, chop it up. I like to chop my stuff up really small. You also need half a cup of onion chopped. And so what you want to do is chop up everything. You can dice it the size that you want, but like I said, I like to make mine really small. I thought I would share this at the end of the video because a lot of us are looking for things to make, and I've been doing a lot of crock pot meals lately, and I felt like I wanted to show you guys a different meal without being in a crock pot. But anyways, you got your onions and your green peppers chopped up. You need 2 well, not 2, but you need 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Mine was just cut into two because that's what I had. And so you can use the steakum, which is what I just showed you guys right there. And so that is what I'm going to be using instead of the 1 pound boneless ribeye steak. So what you're going to do is melt your half of your butter in a large pan over medium high heat. You're going to then get ready to add the peppers and the onions in and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes or until they're soft. Put those to the side by removing it from the pan and cover it to keep it warm. Then you're going to melt the other half of the butter and add the ribeye or the steakums to the pan. Season it with salt and pepper to taste, and then you're going to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until browned and cook thoroughly. And what you want to do is get ready to place the green bell peppers and the onions back into this pan after draining it. So once you've placed the peppers and the onions back into the pan, you're going to just stir it all up, turn the stove off. You're going to get ready to put the egg roll wrappers together. So what you want to do is cut the provolone cheese in half. You need about 6 slices, but I used all of it because I didn't want it to go to waste. Lay out your egg roll wrappers just like this. And then you also need like a little bowl of water because that is how you're going to seal your egg roll wrappers. And so lay out an egg roll wrapper and place half of the slice of cheese in the center. And I used a spoon just to do it like this. And I used water around the edges. My first one didn't turn out so good because I didn't know what I was doing, but eventually I got it down pat and right to where it looked like this, and I made about 12 of these. Go ahead and heat you up some grease on the stove, and then you're going to easily put these into the grease, and you're gonna bake these for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're browned all over. So you are going to pour about 2 to 3 inches of oil into a deep pan. You're going to heat the oil, and then you're going to just fry 3 to 4 egg rolls at a time, turning over occasionally until browned all over, which is going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. You can then drain it on paper towels and then serve it with a dipping sauce of your choice, or you can choose not to. There is also another way. If you choose to bake the egg rolls, you can coat them with cooking spray and bake them at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes or until browned and crispy. Thanks guys so much for tuning into today's video. Be sure to stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 4.